Hey number 4. I met Teresa and Leonie at Wasserplan, that's the main bus station here in UMEÅ, and we decided to walk around the city and look for some shops there. Beforehand I went online and searched for some addresses for second-hand shops. But only one of the 4 addresses we visited were actually a second-hand shop. So the other ones were either not a second-hand shop anymore or just regular houses where people lived in. So that was quite a fail. Then we went to IKEA. We walked there. It took us about an hour to get there. I got everything I needed. The other 2 got everything they needed. And it was a really successful shopping trip. I live on a corridor where are, I think, 7 rooms. But the weird thing is that I rarely meet my roommates. So in the first week, every time I entered the kitchen, there was some little thing changed, but I never saw anyone. That changed over time. I think we are now 5 people on the corridor, but everyone is really private and doing their own stuff. Another weird thing is that there's no plug for the kitchen sink. So when you do the dishes, you have to do it under running water. I don't like that because it's a really big waste of water. So I bought a plastic box from IKEA where I gather all my dirty dishes in and do the dishes as well. A new mattress! Woohoo! The original mattress in my bed is horrible. It is so ridiculously thin that I woke up in the middle of the night with a numb butt. So what I did was that I put the new mattress on top of the old one. It's quite better now. The next day the buddy program organized an international party at the club called Rex. And my buddy group organized a pre-party at Stina's place. Pre-parties is something that Swedish students are doing very often because getting drunk in a club makes you poor. So what they do is just basically getting drunk beforehand, then went to the club and just party. Unfortunately, the music was not really my style, but it was quite nice. And I'm glad that I didn't have to pay any money for getting in.